Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a JSON file where we store the information about the problem in a format that Python can read. Today I will show you how to create a function that will read the content of the JSON file and return the object being read. So the function will implement the code on this line here. Okay, I will define the function read problem and the parameter will be the JSON file name. So here I add colon. I indented with 2 spaces and I say with open and I will open whatever JSON file name is provided. And then I'm reading the JSON file and I will add another line in my function, return analysis. I am returning the object that has just been read. When I am using this function, I will say analysis, it's equal read problem, and I provide the file name for the JSON file, which is analysis.json. Okay, so now I would like to have this function also in my Python module in the library, so which is this file. So I will select it, cut it, and paste it here. Now import JSON, I don't need it anymore in the solution.py. I will remove it from here and I will put it at the beginning of the Coding Everywhere library.py. So I put here import JSON. Now the only thing that I need to import this function in my solution.py program. So I have from Coding Everywhere library import present problem, and if I add a comma and I put another function will be imported. So I will import read problem. Okay, so that's pretty much all. I'm importing present problem and read problem. Then I am reading the problem by calling the read problem method with the file name analysis.json. I get the analysis object and I am presenting it, and then I have the code to my solution. Okay, I will save solution.py. I will save also coding library.py, coding everywhere library.py, and I will execute the program. So I am expecting again the same result, which is what we got. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.